what's up? Today it's me, Haseeb, and obviously we're gonna be doing a rebuild of Manchester United, and obviously so we're gonna offer him about 70 million. Wow, I should put this a bit lower. So there you go, guys. The negotiation will be done, and then yeah, come on, crucial. He has to be crucial. Koulibaly is a very good defender. It's between him and Van Dijk for his best, but I think Van Dijk is challenging for the best right now. But there we go, guys. The first transfer is done. Koulibaly is officially a Manchester United player. We just need to change the formation, change the squad a bit. There we go. Rashford potential is actually very high, so I need him in the team. So I'll be selling some players. I'm starting to sell Pogba actually. So let's see on my transfer list. Really, the transfers will come. The reason, to be honest, I don't need to put Pogba on transfer list. He'd be one of the first to be going on the transfers anyways. So yeah, gotta see how this works out right now. I was thinking of bringing Lingard, but no, he won't go for that much. Sanchez needs to go. He's had a 4th season at United, 2 poor seasons. He really does need to go. And yeah, Let's check who we can get. Listen, I hate this. It takes like 1 minute for the stop simulation to start the season. Obviously today guys, no games, no matches today, we're not going to be playing today, it's just a transfer. I'm sure what I can do to rebuild the team. Obviously actual football, Manchester United have just signed, there you go, see, transfer offer for Paul Pogba. It was the first transfer offer and I do that. Well yeah, Wan-Bissaka has signed a 5-year deal with Manchester United for 50 million. I think he's one of the best defenders going. Dallon needs to go, but whenever I do a loan, they reject it. Come on, Paul Pogba. Get me the money, Paul Pogba. Come on. My aim is to do 100 million for him. 100 million, I can't do it anymore. Come on. Come on. What? No way. 95, come on. Yeah, good lad, good lad. That's what I need. Also guys, obviously, just head over to our channel, like, subscribe, and we got a giveaway for until we hit 50 subscribers. That's the PSN, and I think Xbox Live. I wasn't noticed with this, but yes, it's actually ordered it. It's ready. I don't want to do delegation, but obviously sometimes. Actually, you know what? Leave it. I don't want to do this. I'm just gonna actually negotiate. So guys, if you want more of this content, please just like and subscribe to our channel, and I'll be doing more rebuilds for Manchester United, Inter Milan. We'll do a rebuild for Chelsea. We'll do a rebuild for lower league teams like Stoke City. Blah blah blah. Yes. Sorry, my bad. There you go. That's Bruno Fernandes in the line. So now it's De Jong. Come on. Oh, come on, we have to 6-5. We need the rebuild, we need these players. Come on, Icardi, if you don't go, I don't want over. If they give me 100 million, I remember last Kareem would have had, they gave me 100, after 100 million for him. That was abysmal. I don't want to do that. I should like, nah. I need Rashford potential is very high in this game. 75 minutes, they're doing it on me. Oh my god, you're not worth that much. So come on. Frankie de Jong. He's going to be at Manchester United, can he? Yes, he is. Please like, subscribe, comment, and yeah, we need to put crucial. Come on. He's potentially very high, so I should buy him. Come on, United. Obviously I'm a Man United fan myself, so I was going through stress last season and it was a bit messed. Koulibaly, Fernandez, De Jong, Hernandez. So far, so good. Just need to buy another right back. I need to buy a striker as well. I'm thinking of Martinez. Or visit Inter Milan, got 88 potential, and he would be very, very good fit for Manchester United. Yeah, there we are. We're gonna get him. Here he is, guys. Martinez. So we're just going to be try buying him. Hopefully, he's not that expensive. Yes. We'll take him for that 88 potential. I would definitely take that. So guys, if you don't know yet, if you're here to the end of the video, write in the comment sections Team Has, so you can get a shout out in the next video.
certain man, they